addition of two matrices. Good evening, everyone. Addition of two matrices. Write definition for this. Write definition for this. Yes, I am recording, don't worry. Right definition. The addition of two matrices is possible. Right definition. The addition of two matrices is possible. The addition of two matrices is possible only if they are in same order. Kishore M, switch off your video. If they are in same order. I repeat once again. The addition of two matrices is possible only if they are in same order. Only if they are in same order. Same order. Suppose A is given 3, 4, 5, 6. B is given 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the order of A? 2 by 2. What is the order of B? 2 by 2. If you want to do A plus B, can anyone? I given time for you to try. 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 9, 6 plus 10. Correct? 14, 41 anta baridharu. 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Just add the corresponding elements. Add the corresponding elements. First element, first element. Second element, second element. Third element, third element. Fourth element, fourth element. Like that. I'll give one more example. You try. A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. B is equal to minus 3, 5, 7, 8. Can you try? What is A plus B? 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 5, 2 plus 7 minus 2 plus 8. Okay, dear students, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4, 9, 6. Correct? Minus 2, 4. Correct. So many got the correct answer. Super, wonderful, nice. Awesome. Good. Everyone is involving. Can I give one more example? Minus 3i minus 1 minus I. B minus 1 minus I 3i. Find A plus B and B plus A both. Find A plus B and B plus A both you can find. Perfect. A plus B minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. I minus I minus 1 plus 3 minus I plus I. Minus 4, 0, 2, 0. Okay. Perfect. What is B plus A? Dear students, B plus A is also same as A plus B. Minus 1 minus 3 minus I plus I 3 minus 1 I minus I. What you will get? Minus 4, 0, 2, 0. Same. So what you understood very clearly in matrices, A plus B is always same as B plus A. A plus B is same as B plus A. It is commutative. under addition. Completed. Can you move next question? Yes. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple question I can give, don't worry. B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. Find A minus B and B minus A. Can you try everyone answer for this question? Try it.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್
ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಅವರು
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹರ್ಷಿತ ಹೆಚ್ಚನ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ನೀವು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
Answer, my dear students. What is A minus B? A minus B is equal to 1 minus 5, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8. You will get minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Super. Here I can say one thing to you, remember. You can take minus 4 common also. Then you can write 1, 1, 1, 1. Understand? Now we can see B minus A. Dear student, B minus A means 5 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 4. Then what you will get? 4, 4, 4, 4. Take 4 as common. 1, 1, 1, 1. Understand? Like that also possible. Do it. Understand everyone? You can go and come back, Govind. Yeah, you can write But first time no, that's why I'm explaining clearly to you. Now, what you understood here, A minus B is not equal to B minus C. Matrix addition is possible, A plus B is equal to B plus A, but matrix subtraction, it is not equal. A minus B is not equal to B minus C. Understand? Can I move to the next one? Multiplication, very, very important. Now, once again, I can give this matrix. 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? What is the answer? Not possible, because this is order 2 by 2. This is order 1 by 2. Not possible addition, because two matrices are not in same order. Two matrices are not in same order. Understand? Two matrices are not in same order. Three, 4 plus 7 minus 5. Addition. 5, 6 minus 1, 3. Do subtraction. Possible now? 3 plus 7, 10. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 3, 2. Correct? Because this is 1 by 2 order, this is 1 by 2 order. Addition possible. This is 2 by 1 order, this is 2 by 1 order. Subtraction possible. Understand? What's your doubt, Jatin? 6 minus 3, 3.
Yes, sir.
Everyone wake up or you're sleeping? Everyone is wake up. Very good. Understand? Can I move to the next one? I'll give a little big one. Find A plus B, A minus B, B minus A. Can you find everyone? I can write A plus B value directly. 0, 2B, 0. 0 minus 2B, 0. 2A, 0, 2C. Correct? I will write A minus B value also. Minus or minus plus. A plus A, 2A. b plus b 2b, c minus of minus 2c is 0. Subtraction now. Minus a minus 2a, minus b plus b 0, minus a minus c minus 2c, a minus a 0, minus b minus 2b, c minus c 0. Correct? Now find b minus a. Anyone got the answer? B minus a, minus 2a, 0, minus 2c, 2a, 0, 2c, 0, 2b, 0. Correct? Same a minus b, you can take minus common, you will get b minus a. Everyone got the correct answer? Now I can move to the multiplication, my dear student. Multiplication ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಷಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Matrix addition and subtraction possible only if they are in same order. Okay. But what about matrix multiplication? Keep it in. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. Right definition. The multiplication of two matrices is possible. The multiplication of two matrices is possible. The multiplication of two matrices is possible. Only the multiplication of two matrices is possible. Only if the column of first matrix, if the column of first matrix is equal to the row of second matrix, the row of second matrix, the column of first matrix is equal to the row of second matrix. The column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. The column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. How it is possible means, suppose A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. This is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Both order is same, multiplication possible we can do. How to multiply? This is very important. Next to 5 minutes, everyone concentrate on the board side what I am teaching, okay? Generally, you are aware that this is A11, this is A12, this is A21, this is A22, correct? Yes or no? So A11 means first row, first column we need to multiply. A into P, AP plus B into R, BR. I consider A value different, B value different. That means this is matrix A, this is matrix B, let us assume. So values inside of the matrix are different. So whatever elements I multiplied, you understood very clearly. AP plus BR. Next, A12. First row, second column. This is the second column now. So AQ plus BS. Next, 2-1. Second row, first column. This is second row. This is first column. CP plus DR. Next, second row, second column. Second row, CQ plus DS. Understand? CQ plus DS. So this is matrix multiplication. Don't worry, I'll give one more. You can say now A, B, C, D. See, one question no one will understand. You need to wait. You need to wait. I'll explain so many examples. Then only you can understand. Okay. You need to wait, my dear students. Don't go fast. Slowly we'll discuss. X, Y, Z, alpha. How to multiply? Can anyone say what I can write in the first step? First element. This row into this column. Don't raise anyone's hands, please wait a minute, okay? I will give more examples with different orders, okay? Different order is there, how to write everything I'll explain, okay? AX plus BZ. Next one. First row into second column. First row AY plus B alpha. Correct? Next, this is second row into first column. CX plus DZ. Next, second row into second column. CY plus D alpha. Understand? Write this. Write this, everyone. Complete, everyone. I'll give more example with the numbers, different types of matrices. That means order is different. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what is the column of first matrix? 2. Row of second matrix? 2. Then matrix multiplication is possible. What is the resultant matrix order? This 2 by 2. Okay. But I'll give now very different example. This you can understand. A, B, X, Y. What is the order of first matrix? You have chart box with you. You can type and say the answer. What is the order of first matrix? Everyone, dear students, what is the order of first matrix?
1 cross 2.
Correct. 1 cross 2. Perfect. What is the order of second matrix? 2 cross
1.
Correct. We clearly understood that column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. Then what is the resultant matrix order? If you multiply, what is the order will come? 1 cross 1. So how to multiply? AX plus BY. What is the order this one? 1 cross 1 only, no? If you multiply 1 cross 2, 2 cross 1, what you will get? 1 cross 1. Because here we have only first row, first column. A11, only one element possible. 1 row, 1 column only is there. First element, the first matrix contains 1 row. Second matrix contains 1 column. 1, 1. This is 1, 1 only, no? It is representation 1, 1 only, no? A11. 1 row, 1 column. Understand, Raviteja? Don't keep switch on your video, switch off.
Yes, sir, understood. Sir, mute ಆಗಿದೆ.
AB given like that, XY given like this. Then how to answer? What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 1. What is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 2. If you multiply, what is the resultant matrix order? 2 cross 2. Understand? Column of first matrix 1, row of second matrix 1. The resultant matrix order 2 cross 2. This you need to remember. A into X, AX. First row, first column. First row, second column. This first row, this second column. AY. Second row, first column, BX. Second row, second column, BY. This is 2 by 2 matrix only, no? Understand, dear students? No confusion? Complete. Now I can give with numbers. 3, 2, 1, 2. I can give another number. Into 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you multiply and say? I'll give 2 minutes time. Try. First, I'll explain on them. Okay. Completed. So many students got so many answers. Very good. Perfect. Super. This row into this column. Correct? Huh? 3 5s are 15 plus 2 7s are 14. First row into second column. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 8s are 16. Second row into first column. 1 5s are 5 plus 4 7s are 28. 1 6 are 6 plus 4 8s are 32. 29, 34, 33, 38. Correct, my dear students? This is A, this is B. Okay, we got AB value. This. Find BA. Find BA. Yes. I love this one. I'll find BA. BA means 5, 6, 7, 8 into 3, 2, 1, 4 now. If you multiply, what you will get? 5 3s are 15 plus 6 1s are 6. 5 2s are 10 plus 6 4s are 24. 7 3s are 21 plus 8 1s are 8. 7 2s are 14 plus 8 4s are 32. 20, 34, 29, 46. Perfect. Everyone understanding what I'm explaining, how to multiply? Dear students, you cannot escape from this particular concept. Without multiplication, we cannot get the 5 mark questions. 5 mark question in this chapter, 5 mark question determinant chapter, purely depending on multiplication. So slowly we can do multiplication, okay? First row into first column, first row into second column, like that you can think. Second, see, this is, I once again repeating, this is A11, this is A12, this place A21, this place A22. First row, first column, first row, second column, okay? Second row, first column, second row, second column, like that I am multiplying. Okay. Completed. Next one. Writing, okay. Yes. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 1. B is equal to you can find A, B and B both. Find A, B and B. Everyone is following. Dear students, if you observe AB, what is the order of first matrix? 2 cross 3. What is the order of second matrix? 2 cross 2. What I said, if matrix multiplication possible, column of first matrix equal to row of first matrix. Not equal, no? AB does not exist. AB does not exist. Understand what I am speaking with you? AB does not exist. Okay. Next. BA. You can see BA. I'll rub this one. This part I can rub. BA. Everyone see, concentrate both side, very important. B. 3, 4, 2, 6. 3, 4, 2, 6 into 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 1. The order of this matrix 2 by 2. Order of this matrix 2 by 3. If you multiply, these two are equal now. Resultant order matrix 2 cross 3. Okay. How to multiply? Same first row into first column. 3 ones are 3 plus 4 threes are 12. First row into second column. 3 twos are 6 minus 4 ones are 4. First row into third column. 3 threes are 9 plus 4 ones are 4. This is first row. This is third column. This is second column, like that. Okay. Now second row into first column. What you will get? 2 ones are 2 plus 6 threes are 18. Second row into second column. 2 twos are 4 minus 6 ones are 6. Second row into third column. 2 threes are 6 plus 6 ones are 6. What is the answer finally? 15 minus 2, 13. 20 minus 2, 12. Correct now? Like that. Now it is 2 by 3 matrix now. The resultant matrix order is 2 cross 3, 2 by 3. Understand? Good. This is plus 2.
Sir.
Correct, huh? I understood, that's why I changed. AB does not exist, B exists. Okay. Like that also possible. Sometimes. Sir, you sent to me, not to Suprita. Can I move to the next question? Yes. A is equal to 1, 5 minus 7. B is equal to 2, 3 minus 1. Find A, B and B. First of all, A, B, B possible or not, you need to check. How to check A, B, B possible or not possible? Just order. Order of the matrix you check. Okay. Do it fast. Check the order of the matrix. A, B possible or not? Possible. What is the answer of A, B? One cross 3, 3 cross 1. If you multiply, what you will get? 1 cross 1. One into 2, 2 plus 5, these are 15 plus 7. 17, 7, 24. BA. 2, 3 minus 1 into 1, 5 minus 1. 3 cross 1 into 1 cross 3. You will get 3 cross 3 matrix. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are minus 14. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are minus 21. Minus 1, minus 5, plus 7. Correct? Correct answers. Everyone is following multiplications, everyone. Boys and girls. Sorry, only boys. Understand matrix multiplication, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Raju sir. Raju sir.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ CET ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದ್ರಂತೆ?
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
CET ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನಾ 60 to 65 ಬಂದಿರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ID ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಐಡಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ಈಗ 6 to 7
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 to 7 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಐಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳುದು ಈಗ 6 to 7 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ ID ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. CET ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ.
Hello.
Sir. Next question. Don't mind, I'm agree. Find AB and BA. Slowly you do. It's a 3x3 matrix. Both are 3x3 matrices. I'll also do with you. Can I solve or you can solve? Can I solve or you can solve? Boys.
We will do, sir.
Okay. We will solve. Food cut money. Meanwhile, I'll eat a small biscuit. AB slowly will multiply. First row into first column. 3 plus 4 plus 9 minus 3 plus 8 plus 3. 1 3 first row third column. 1 plus 16 plus 6. 2 1 second row first column. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 plus 3. Second row second column. Minus 6 minus 8 plus 1. Second row, third column. 2 minus 16 plus 2. Third row, first column. 3 plus 2 plus 12. Third row, second column. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 4. Third row, third column. 1 plus 8 plus 8. Everyone got the correct answer, AB? Complete everyone. BA, what is the answer BA? I'll only explain. Check your answer is correct or wrong. Over. Very good. Please cross check it what I am explaining. BA. Good, correct. Three ones are 3 minus 6 plus 3. Three minus 3, 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 1, 2 into. You write like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 4. Now multiply. 3 ones are 3 minus 6 plus 1. 6 plus 6 plus 1. 9 minus 3 plus 4. Next. 2 ones are 2 plus 4 twos are 8 plus 8 ones are 8. 2 twos are 4 minus 8 plus 8. 2 threes are 6 plus 4 plus 32. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 twos are 2 plus 2 ones are. Third row, second column. 6 minus 2 plus. Like that, if you spell, you can understand. Third row, third column. 3 threes are 9, 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. Yes, Rushikesh, what's your doubt?
Sir, that is 3 minus 6 plus 3, sir.
Where? Where?
Sir, first row, first column.
1 into 1, 1 only now.
1 into 3, sir.
Where is there? This row into this column.
I have written wrong, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Minus 2, 13, 10, so 18, 4, 42, 7, 6, 18. Okay. Complete. Hey, it's almost time up. How fast today completed, huh?